everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Hallmark Keepsake ornament haul. In October 2018, I went to Hallmark's debut event. Although I had a list of ornaments I wanted to purchase, I didn't mind purchasing other ornaments that caught my eye. Although I anticipated I would purchase more than 5 ornaments that day, I ended up only purchasing 5. The first ornament I purchased is Regal Reindeer. I really liked this reindeer ornament when I saw it in the dream book, but was unable to purchase it until the debut event. When I saw the ornament in person, I decided not to wait to purchase the ornament like I originally planned, and purchased it that day. I wanted to get a Hello Kitty ornament this year. I had an idea of what kind of ornament I wanted, but I was unsure if I would like this ornament instead. When I saw it on display, I decided to buy it anyway. I have no regrets about going against my original idea for a Hello Kitty ornament and purchased this one instead. When I saw this next ornament in the dream book, I knew I wanted to purchase it as soon as possible. I love the show Firefly, and I loved this ornament of the ship from the show. Since the ornament was available for purchase for the first time during the debut event, I grabbed one while I was ornament shopping. next ornament, the USS Discovery, was an impulse buy. I wanted to buy it, but I wanted to wait another month before actually purchasing it. I changed my mind while I was browsing the ornaments. I love the attention to detail in the ornament, and I'm very happy to add it to my ornament collection. The last ornament I purchased is Hummingbird Surprise. I love the Beauty of Birds Ornament series, and I knew I wanted to own this ornament. What makes this ornament special is there are 2 colorways of the hummingbird ornament, and, like a mystery box, you don't know which ornament you will get until you open the box. Although I liked both colorways, I favored the blue, green, and purple version. I'm so happy the box I picked had the version I liked the most. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video and want to see more of my videos, hit the like button and please subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.